Hey guys, Andy from Addicted to Ships and Trips here. So, you've just arrived in Prague and you want an easy, quick and cheap way to get into the city. This is for you. You could, of course, get a taxi, but that's going to set you back €20 plus each way. Instead, you can hop on a bus and the metro for less than €2. A word of warning, if you have young children in a pushchair or a pram, then there are steps from the metro down to the platform, so you may want to look at alternative options. But if you have no heavy luggage and you're looking for a cheap way to get into the city in around about 30 minutes, this will show you what to do. In a moment, I will show you the ticket machines and show you how quick and easy it is for you to purchase the ticket, and then show you how you validate your ticket, and then we will jump on board. From the main terminal then, you want to cross straight across the street and then buy a ticket from the machine. You will see there are handy signs which tell you when the buses are due. You want bus number 119, which takes you to the metro station. Then you will come to these machines and I will take you through purchasing your ticket. So you'll see it's very easy to select different languages. I'm going to select English. I'm going to buy a ticket and I want 90 minutes. That should give me plenty of time to get there. I want to pay with card. I'm going to tap my card there. Okay, that worked. And there we go. Following the purchase of your ticket then, you can either validate it in one of these machines or you can validate it on the bus. A word of warning though, if you do not validate your ticket, then you may be in line for a €50 fine, which I'm sure you don't want. So, shortly we'll jump on the bus and then on to the metro. And here is bus 119 right now. And time to validate the ticket.
Just the bus map?
So we're almost here. It's about 7 or 8 stops and we're there. Time to change over to the metro. Should be approaching any time now.
Terminus, please exit the bus.
End of the line, mate. Oh, sorry.
And here we are. Easy as that. 10 to 15 minutes max. And here we are at metro station Nodrazi Veleslaven. Forgive my pronunciation if I've just butchered that. So I'm just going to take 5. And yeah, just a word of warning, like I said earlier, if you have pushchairs or even large cases, you may want to find an alternative option. A little bit further down, past the entrance to this stairway to the metro, there is actually a disabled lift option which you just need to cross over the road. You should be able to see that at the bottom of that building over there. So I've got myself all ready. I'm gonna go and get down the steps and jump on the metro.
Everybody has to pick it up.
Just so you are fully prepared, when you go down the steps, you want to keep to the right hand side because it's the metro on the right hand side that takes you to the city. So I'm going to jump on down now and board the metro, and you will see how quick and easy that part is. Also, I'm getting off at the museum stop because my hotel is nearby, but it will take you into the city centre. Jump on and off wherever you want to. I'll show you the map shortly once we get on the metro station. So you want to take the escalator whilst you're here for your stay in Prague as well, if you do enter any metro station and you've bought a ticket, there are validating machines within the metro station as well. As you'll see, there are some coming up right here. Down again. And there we go. So they should be just a few minutes apart. You can see a sign all the way down there, 1 minute until the next metro. In fact, now 46 seconds. Oh, I can hear it. Ah, and the lights flash as the metro is approaching. How cool. There we go. So let's jump on board. And as I said, here is the map on board with all of the stops, and below I will pop on some of the popular stops that you may want to get off in the centre of Prague. If you're concerned about missing the stop on the bus to get to the metro station, don't be alarmed, because it is the very last stop on the bus journey. You cannot miss the metro station. And there we go, simple as that. 35 minutes tops. I had 5 minutes before I went down into the metro station, so plenty of time. I would probably recommend you get the 90-minute ticket rather than a 30-minute ticket, just to allow for any delays, but there are several options available, including a 72-hour ticket as well. I hope you found that helpful. If you enjoyed, then please do drop a like, and please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell so you're notified whenever any new content drops. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.